Hi everyone, I'll be walking through parts 5 and 6 of lesson 65 today. So our first one, we're building number families based on the following items. So I've attached this as an image to your document that you'll have to go back and look at in order to solve all our questions. So let's do our first one together. We have Joe had $15. He bought one of the items. He left the store with $12.63. Now, which item did he buy? Okay, so we know that Joe had $15, and that's more than the amount of the item. So that will be our big number. So put Joe here, and we have $15. Next, we don't know what item he bought, so that will be our missing small number, which we will figure out which item he bought. So then our difference number will be $12.63. So since we're missing one of our small numbers, we'll now subtract from our big number. So remember to make sure we're lining up our dollar signs and our decimals. So we have 15 minus 12.63, and I'll go here. Now we know we can't take away 3 from 0, and our neighbor we can't take away any, so we'll have to take away from our 5. We'll have to borrow. This becomes a 4. The next becomes a 10, but we still need to pass that one along, which we'll do, and then this becomes a 9. So next we have 10 minus 3, which will give us 7. We have 9 minus 6, which will give us 3. Make sure we're dropping our decimal point there. We have 4 minus 2 will give us 2. And 1 minus 1 is 0. And the last thing we need to add is our dollar sign. So now we know that the item was $2.37. So we'll add that on our number family. So now we have to look back onto our images and see which item cost $2.37. So we'll take a look here, and it was the calendar. So make sure we're including calendar, that Joe bought the calendar in our final answer. I'll just do an equal sign here, so that we answer our question that he bought the calendar. And our next part will be part 6. So you can pause here and finish up B and C for part 5. Just erase this. So for part 6, we're rewriting some problems and filling in a missing number. So the first one is also an example. We'll do 2 together. For part 6, what we have in A is 72 minus blank equals 70. So now you have to figure out what number would we have to include here, 2. And now we have to rewrite so that the answer is at the beginning. So we have 70 equals 72 minus 2. So please don't just input what the missing number is. We have to rewrite so that after our first number, we have the equal sign. So we'll include our answer as our first number. And then we'll just do our other one. We'll do B, and then you can do C on your own. So B, we have 6 blank 5 equals 30. So of course now we have to decide whether it'll be an addition or a multiplication sign. Now we know that 6 times 5 will give us 30. And we're not done. We first need to switch over our equation. So we have 30 equals 6 times 5. And then we're done. So you can pause this video, finish up part C, and then for the rest of the day, you can follow up with some Prodigy game time. Have a great weekend, everyone. Thanks.